lead on. Yeah, you understand what I mean? Right. So because that's just her fluttering her fan. You see? Then she raises her eyebrow.
Okay.
Yeah, that's too much. That's too much. Actually, Tommy, you're beginning with the D, and I begin with the A. So it isn't. That's too much, I think.
My problem is that every time I play it, it's sort of, you want to do it or try it or just comes out different ways. And I cannot set my mind on a certain way. Probably I should decide that here I do it this way and then next time I do it.
Not necessarily. You see, what I'm talking about is a sameness that I'm trying to get rid of. Which is very atypical of you, because you're so imaginative. But so you're using the same articulation and it's just such a slight thing. And then and this isn't. So I think the legato, I think it has to do with articulation as well as with shaping. That this to my ear is more legato than when, with the fluttering.
Okay.
That kind of thing. Right. And I mean, the genius is so astonishing that he writes first, then he goes. I mean, that's so wonderful.